Hey there, I want to give you a quick glimpse into my Rise to the Challenge soccer horizontal template. Like all our Rise to the Challenge templates, these are very simple and easy to use. They are labeled with different colors that indicate what you're going to need to change. So the red's something you're going to need to change for sure. I'm going to shut off my sample subjects and I can insert another team here. Here's a folder of already extracted subjects. Simply drag and drop them into the Photoshop document and start placing them. It's as easy as just moving them off the side of each other and layering them in. The tutorial included with the instant download will give you more in-depth steps on layering and inserting your subjects. We can see how I could easily add a lot more subjects to that. I could add multiple rows, so I could have 2 or even 3 rows behind them. I could have players squatting down or kneeling down in front to fit 30 or more subjects. If I have a smaller team, I can scale them bigger and make them fit something like that. Their feet are hidden in the mist so that you don't have to worry about connecting their feet to the ground or drawing shadows. All the layers are completely editable. I can move all the lights, I can move the flag or adjust it or duplicate things. I can move the nets. I can change the name of the Union Soccer on the scoreboard here and the year. I can also easily change the text in the background. For example, typing in Boston. I can change the color and edit to any color I want to. If I want to go with a white, and then I can change this red flare to more of a maroon. I can remove or change the motto if I want to, and I can insert a schedule. This template has a lot of impact. It makes great posters, banners, and prints for parents. Hope you love it.